in our studios the man we call the general, like I said, in the person of Master Guide Samuel Asabre from Pong. Therefore, we promise to say an interview in a very posa in Kibiwu. It's time could you just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Master Guide Asabre, welcome to Papanaga and Savage TV. Yes. Me who said missing Emfa and Shansi. Asabre, my
you can't Sabria. Sabria, a brandy beer. Free Tanuk Massey war, a Santima Mashanti region. So pass Santima Poma, or Pinus roof one out Parkona, Santiago, Honona, a Sabri free. Now you won't cry. Then so hot and Nasi free. Or share an additional sick a crowd. Now, the numb. Say, wow, 4 years for and only teachers are. We are the young, we never be back on now. Always you just be rooming because almost baby on the corner and also. So, in the early stages, no, Nami Papa, a trade, a watch a massy, a you free, I will now call. And Intino, Minya Quenya Semeko kindergarten, a watch a massy. Now, South Breno and I teacher Tom Brown, a wood school. I check. Sabra go school. Your mount around 83 on Sabrina and Como on. Go school. Now your mount Tom Brown. Not for the coffee. Now they are come for say, I have a mom when you do fee. And Tino. Now one I'm go school. I say, give me papa free or start here for try there. I'm going to SD secondary school. A gas. Into a numuna near the call Kumasi school be a friend of Opokuari International near private school. Into me shall see or near boarding school into Namida boarding house. I'm cool school into a muno and ye miss our bar with a punch because now quite a distance in Mua. And now my quiet catch rameda and you are ye insia and I made a mere catch rameda when Intina. As I will you on Hokaka, say distance never to catch the day, money catch Intino, my essay you by Jaman Siwa, the school year, dear friend ambassador to British school. The honor me with JSS, Timiko ambassador with JSS, Tibiano, and I'll be me twice so. Minya Quenya or school I would go P. So now and now say, Manage. A mobile dealing with the school at a baby. I met me a coffee yaba. I hear Juma, a Juma with you. You must say to me a co school in my mother sent me called boarding school, I shall say, to me call a Santamai secondary school. Now Santamai is half a day school in Tino, a hawk, and I will call ya maybe 2 from 3 no. And now school more than more in Tino. Sabre, your mammy discipline prefect in school. You no more than one on your force. Ya say the bed try Boama school, boarding school. To your pencil, and you push yana of your son to my best at a boarding. To your moon, yeah, that batch Nina, my best at a boarding house. I started call ya. You be in Yamiadum. Now I will say a twasso. With our wood, and for a seminar, it is getting interesting. So for those of you watching us who are old students of Asanteman, General is also an old student of Asanteman. Intimu munya bako hasi. So what baby are free school coy or say one year in Sia. As I'm saying, Emma Mena about wedding, in Sia. But you're not, you were moving on to your higher education. Yes. So yes, me Asantimano, and we did say what they have about Bibi Bashir Finfi Honor. I don't know, ma and Kofu will be question say, I go you should now, please, near so then. Sir, a brady mono, the Bashir Honor, and no Emma meeting a few cry. Now, upon your mono, and I'm a catcher my offer say, Sir, the corner, we did say a becca one seven. Say, Sabre no party, many who say, into a woman to us school, some men to us with the aim of enti enam said the bisika asem ni nti no e mama wo fo nso ani bre e ma me papa try per school akodo said the na yesi schools time so at tertiary institutions ya apply no or apply schools mi ensa na me adum ni mi ensa nyina minya UCC ena minya Kumasi Polytechnic ena minya Sunyani Polytechnic na school mi ensa ni nyina no UCC eni Kumasi Polytechnic their courses are not be ma me na nya course a mani je ho enu nti ekoba say Sunyani Poly na ma me course a mani je ho ti na o say me ko ho nti Sunyani Poly no me ko ya accounting HND accounting nti ho na me ko school a ewie ye na ho no so say ye sha say ye di e ho nkomo afa AY 7 ni soja 7 ni we ya ho no na ma mani kwaje soja ho pa yi bi se mi ko hia soja pani ba ko no no so ye warrant officer no na ma mani ji soja ho pa
background anyway near there. Now let's come to family. No, religious church. Then now be the one so you would to and I say we be a crusade and I saying who see them be as the
no me that's it the crown first be as the you know do baby ye nim say e we SD mu ye nim say ye command pulpit and our podium na fe ya crusade ni agekra me mabusia no enipa ba kope ne na ye SD ni o ye me papa na me maami e Methodist ni nti ye ngonfra ni nyina ne maami na kwa sorry nti ye papa pe na no kwa SD na ebre bi eye Aguna district ni mu mi krom ni ba kwa no ye SD ni o ye youth eye AY ni efri mu na ofri mu no ena ye say Aguna district no youth ena emra mesie no because o ye youth ni na omo ba bi duru honom no minia emofran keten omo kuta drums ena no mo fe bibi guardian bearer sticks na said yo musidi eye display we ye na se no na afa mi gina hom yankasa aye me nwanwa ena me ka se me ma sorry am wo mu no de mitimi ye ni yie obi antumi challenge me eye do no eni edru ash Wednesday ne those things any nyago me de me do no share me moto mu obi antumi ma ho eno pe na mitumi ye wa sorry eda ma sorry no saada no ebia obi be bo bat ye mfili wa sorry that was the only thing I was doing but me hwese abofra kitwa me chen no obo drum snare drum okuta said we rolling am say o we nkwa de metimi abo a chen no enti ye ni twa mu no ne dwoada na me ko fie eye kwasi ada na ye ko fie no dwoada no pa na me frem papa na me ka chen say da asori ni me ko bi because akra no we boss na drum me sure say metimi ayi good a chen no because skill a me di bodo no and he said the boss na drum me who difference bi asa nti me good metimi ayi good a chen no nti asori me ko bi na me nsoma kobo drum enu nti ni next Saturday all kwa asori no na me ne call ye no de me call children's class they de me call children's class na coach room din me drum ti na buy enye bibia nti me de me nyina ne se me bo drum ya asori awia me twen drum nti be 3 mu honom no na mu so makoyi drums na ba fi makoma tom yem se de me twen ye no ana de nti a me ba so nti na eno na aba na me ko gina ho a omo bobo ya nti eno na ma me ni je na so ene me nko biem fi se Saturday bia be bo drum dia ene asori me ko bi kakra ncheche na me ti asafana se enye drum bo keke na emom nyama bebre wo mu a wo se misua enum no na me papa de me share Pathfinder class because abre na ma bro adventurer age ni so na emom ekrase asetena nti se kuro enti Pathfinder class na adventure na man kwa ni osua because was say oti eno ase in that part of Adventism no any village life no there they want you to go according to the standard and you say because we were 10 years inti near do akọ ranger na da omo there ni say we the 100 class so far as we go through the youth ministry ni there you start from the lowest class inti e bia do ga akọ explorer class but na adventure na man na rusua inti ya de me call friend class but na yesua busy bee sunbeam builders helping hand in yama ya kopim say one day and omo be here it was not an official university cha
but ɔmo bɛ declare kyerɛ asafo no sɛ yɛsua deɛ I could do this level until they promoted it from the adventure class to the Pathfinder class. Now we started official Pathfinder. Na enum no because of asɔre a me kɔɔ yɛ no na kyerɛ sɛ aka me maame because me papa wɔ hɔ me nso makɔ nti na aka me maame nti sɛdeɛ meyɛ me nneɛma efi bra me join ne SDA no me maame hu sɛ no nneɛma bi asesa wɔ fie Wednesday prayer meeting na me maame di akyi sɛ ɔne yɛ bɛkɔ asɔre ne akɔbɛ sɛ deɛ ɔyɛ yɛ nkwada mpakɔ the moment we got there yɛyɛ mpaebɔ no wie yɛ ansa ne yɛbɛbɔ closing prayer na maame sɔre yɛ ɔpagya ne nsa adɛn a asɔre no ɔde kɔ bi deɛ na menim ne sɛ Saturday anaa sermons time ɛna yɛyɛ ɔtakɔ ana nipa ba me maame deɛ nkwada mpaebɔ na ɔde ne din kɔɛ sɛ ɔkɔ SD ɛfiri hɔ the whole family yɛ nyinaa bɛyɛ apamfoɔ kakra ɛwɔ mu sɛ me nuanom bi no asa akɔ wɔn akyi ɔmo kɔ other churches no deɛ but sesei deɛ mɛtumi aka si so sɛ me maame me papa ɛne me deɛ officially no yɛ nyinaa yɛ apamfoɔ a yɛwɔ asafo no
na wasɛm a wokan ɛdi adanse sɛ sɛbi ɛnyɛ sɛ sɔfoɔ bi afa amount pulpit ayɛ platform na speakers ne microphones wɔ na enyim twagu a ɛyɛ ne fɛtɛ crusade no ɛno nko ara ne timi ma obi te homeda ɛsom no ase ɛma no ɛbɛ join na ɛsɛ ekuo no nso ɛwɔ asafo no mu no ministry amo youth singing band kwa so obiara di ne dwuma yi ɛma na yɛ fɛfɛ na nyame ho nso ta akyira ɛno timi twe aforo ɛtimi ka asɛm aforo
minia pa nti abre bia me de se mihia mabunu na me omo kasa I'm always plain and frank with them say senki asafo mpanimfo no ebire bi beso ama o makọ machi akọtena se ahwe mabunu ko ni ya nka wanhwe aye mmoka enkomanti pulpit to abontin bia se ye crusade da nka mabunu ko na betime devise a lot of strategies a ebetim dia agi akra ma asafo no. If we say like Mimi Day, ye keke. The thought was not you'll be where preaching me so for some and the thought was just Ubibo drum na ye me fending am sima me me wo examples be bra ma me mpanyimfo omaka say enam de mo frey be ye nti asafo no mekobi say ya me nsusu me free mu a no mo so abeye me say bi enipa no the thought is not say what is of obi sermon no ba na emum the thought is say adeɛ na ngofra ne yɛ ɛyɛ ne fɛ nti so ɔno nso wu ɔmunye do onhu but waba asafonim no yɛ bɛ kyerɛkyerɛ no because said Matthew 28 assignment a Yesu Kristo di ma yɛ no ɛkyerɛ no ɔsi yɛn kɔ wiase nyinaa no there are 3 things we are supposed to do. We should teach yɛ kɔ kyerɛkyerɛ a ɔmo gidi a ne abɔ ɔmo asu yɛ bɔ asu wi a ne asa kyerɛkyerɛ so the first teaching no ɛnyɛ only uko gyina abɔnten preach pɛ your actions and the activities of the ministries and the departments of the church can't semache nipa no nti mabunu no so mo go round left right or mo ko ba no eno ye nyamsem ka kese abrebia no edi akra pa enu nti se nkie tie ni ahwe mabunu ko ni yi a kami wogidie pa se akrade adwuma ya ni abre hu e te sa afia ye Pentecost 2018 senki ye involve youth ni ye pa enka ye bre bebre a ye ni abre a ye bre ne ka bebre a ye bon ke kan so beti enka akra ye pe no so benya ma na bro so enya akra omo bebu asu am ye dia ye record say ye Pentecost 2018 ye nya nipa 30,000 ni atro record ni na emom ka be ye 30,000 a omo da so wasafo ni mu a omo betena. If we say omunya bedrupe because they are part of the youth ministry, they will be given an assignment to do. Enti ya kira say suya drum, suya ben, suya we kwa friend class, suya always our responsibility. Enti money team say obe jaya safonoda. Ebe boa no so amene suya de more, amene hu no kore no more. Enti man adwini mu da se okọ. Na emo oba asu, obetena safonim no, de bebia no owo no. Eniema na ekoso wo ha odwen say wa miss point no and wa missing no kra kwan nti wa ba be hu no kra no oba ye no exactly the same thing is happening in the church. Nti wo hu the difference between what is happening in the church and what is happening out there. Obesa akọ
but one man bibi no or ye wasafo ni mu a definitely the person will stay enu nti eno ne mfaso a mabunu ko ni se ye hwe ni yi a ebetimi aye aboa asafo no enu nti enye abontin crusade ni nkwa na emum se ye hwe mabunu ko ni ya a lot of things a ye betimi aye through the youth ministry a ebeboa ade akra amanya.
In our studios, we have Master Guide Samuel Asabre, also known as the General. Then if the General, no free here.
I say you know I cover by you. General no, na bako sem ni kakraka. Eshase every abra mene various instructors are mo kire me drill many omunya nkite hudie di odi kan ye tie yandam saa ne ye frɛ no tie yandam oye drill instructor ewo Ghana Police Service Training School kane no na owo de ewo tesa no na okɔ ewo de aye frɛ no pampro enu penu because na owo small king bia eye pampro no de design na no de training omo wi aso de a utiri hu be kasa enti omo de training di pampro enti ono ne the first instructor me ni nya encounter me ba be too cry ha and oboa me or drill in any standards enu nti no he came to realize say ade no o kire me within a short time no mafa enti bi o ha assignment bi o no kra nkonkoye no aso am se me nkonkoye. And when it comes to the aspect of the youth ministry so the campaign skills, everything about campaign skills, everything about the Bible and stuff like that, I'm able to do it faster. And TSD. So he realized that it is in the service, it is the generals who are able to do things of that sort. He knows at least a bit of everything, so that at any time he's able to give a solution to any problem. Said your name you will so that they can general. So it started from there a bit. Then when I met my instructor now, a year now the RSM of the 5th Battalion of Infantry, SW Kamaldeen Amadou. When I met him, it was also the same thing. Almost every time I ever got training, the drill that we do, everything, it was on point. On my instructions, I act. Then he realized that in the church, though he's not an Adventist, he's a Muslim, but he said, anytime he has an encounter with the church, he realized that it is like I'm almost everywhere. Department B, I am there. I help them to do everything. Obisa said, if I put in the church, I'm saying, I am in the youth department. But at least as a master guide, you should have a general knowledge of everything in the church. So that maybe even here more so I have a general knowledge in all the departments of the church. And I say the way you do your things, you behave and do your things like a general. And from now onwards, let's go general. So he started from there. Then so started say if my senior officer is calling me general, then why not? They also started calling me general. In the so as time went by, I realized say encounter if the person is a service person, especially if the person is in the service, you realize say at the end, encounter end no so the same thing. Say the way you do your things, it is like you have a general knowledge about everything. When you also the man came from general, then it continued till now. So every general. The funny thing is that there were even some pastors who did not know anything about the general, but he called drill seminar. When the other instructors who came from 5BN and 69 were calling me general, they just, I don't know whether to say they just realized also calling me general, because they realized that at the camp almost everybody was calling the name general. So and also be a part of them for them to also call me general. So basically it was because of and when we meet, even when I meet the military officers, the way I carry myself and do my things, and no enema me na in general. Amanaka this is happening.
Okay. watch a general and I say, see, that's yes. See, them to be on say.
I say, I shall see you
one time can say about one so yeah.
I shall say, I just say, Abra, BBSS,
yes,
break Biba Hodom now. South break, you know, you say you become once and Aqua Baby so. Abra BBSS, no, you will fear Kakrana. Nami boa ya sorry penny bako ewo nami wo uta fukumasi me boa no e ma ye chi popcorn no popcorn machine me boa no ma ye chi popcorn nti e ko du brebi a auto machine bako ma me na me am de adwuma no score be before na minim de si ye se na me papa wo o nua bi a wo Shy Hills Training School a ono ye instructor e wo ho na se wo ni na hihye ho and I didn't know whether they had bought the forms and processed everything. And as I said, Sabra and I knew how things were happening. And this is say I will go through the straight recruitment and all that.
Yeah.
I think around that time, that pickings, you know, because Mukaya, a baby near say the show stage and you maybe a pick on I think it was something of that sort in a Kobaye. Until you will fear now. Me papa ka che mi se o me kwa kwasra me papa no wa kra na obeba abe family akona so no problem me be
School tifi me nya hwe so if he comes what's the big deal? Enti me wo hwa funny enough. Wan tonkra ehu yanse wa befi. Adan obe family am akotna ne nchen. So after all enkran me yekitikiti na me maame no otontoma. Kente nti no de ba kwan so. Ti ye makwan bia na ma force adi nachi eno na ma mi hu La Paz sa bre no ni sese La Paz na nyepe difference ye bebre nti sa bre no na nka ye sese na adem ba La Paz na kamera but odi me ba na odi me akona nti ma na minima kra but na ye kane no akra na nye sese akra enu nti a time came when we were pane ba ye eno ka se ye nko so oni me be abusuan be di nkoma minim do oni me papa kan e o de ka be si wo pa o instead senke be ko day time ne me hu kwan so hu se o enkran kwan ni ana kuma se kwan ni ana anajo ni adini si hu eni ni Accra me hu which part of Accra we went me hu ya ni se ya chem se wo dan ni kona koda na me shime de me ko ra dem na ya very late around there 12:1 in the do fee ti me da ho afi na ase mani tutom se me ba beda because a new environment intimi acclimatize ye afi me da ho me te pam I thought said the person had just come to look for my father and I was find a wrong door no boom pam na me say hwan ya me sorry ye no na me bi e door asema Papa Nikaya, I saw a very slim, cute man in military uniform. My friend dress up and follow me. I'm so sorry. Me a ho me a machia na me babedu. Ti me de enyamia ebia mpacho me papa door na ye next one nti kwane honum ne ku. See my friend, I said dress up and follow me. And I was still trying to explain to him to understand say enyamia he's talking to a wrong person. But he was still insisting. I'm so okay, please wait. Nam kobo me papa epono. And I said, "Da, if I show papa bi aba or can dress up and follow me. Me nim no. Oya. Me papa twi ni ti a o peja ni ti o hwe me a ne nchen. Na ya pack uniform. E wo rubber mu. O tam ni say no o to ye. O to na me so ye. Be bo me kokos ana me so. I say dress up and follow him. And o sa die. So I was so shocked. I'm say na ye ni den na me kwhya atade me share ya nti me bia mu na me hu say trainers
na me share me come na me di papayechi afa me bia bonten a me hu say like it say e be ka say recruits o ma form me up ya bo mu tiri mu kwabo mu nyina aye line
na o hwe say ma ye kese nti o hwe me a say my kese now calculate wachi be 10-15 years now share said your body litia wow obehu said your pa kire na ya esi dress up and follow him na me follow ye film kodu abontia mmeranteɛ agyina hɔ no me size me body ne size nim ba yɛsi mi kɔdi mu na yaw metumi aka sɛ ɛyɛ yaw because that time though I loved the military but my mind was not on going to the military as at then because after that I went SS and my main dream was say meko soldier pa it should be when I've completed the university so that I can go into the academy to be an officer. Nti na nye sese kwa though many di soldier ho even up until now but see the sikwa na afi the aye nsempim di enya di training giga sa na one day atwam 2 days atwam no hu say nya ayeka there's no way I'll be allowed to go home nti ene e was say me ye bi sa but a brand new kon anymore be 2 months 3 months I realized no ade no afi de ya koye te say yaw na me kom na emum nye training ya komfo ne ye hye me na nye training na me because it was something my heart was not in na that be an every training that we were doing though it was not a punishment but I felt and saw it as a punishment because na nya ade amani je ho as ye force me say me nye na mani je ho so I was always complaining na me fa me ho adwene so sometime I think the first time we went for range ye firing and then who say a typical bush a dime bed to say I think at that time there were about 4 structures and then there were Shah Hills the rest were just the neem tree no ni bush pan and there into your core range back when who say a kind that the moon kete so there's a probability that if you want to find your way somewhere and I may say Shah Hills say Chino village be so it is very probable says a village you hold there kind of so Mr. T said me me plans as to how I can find my way out because I want me fee enti emu ho na be you try 3 months 4th month ni mu no because by 6 months you have to be passing out enti 4th month ni mu ho no and I me fa me ho adwene so one day no mamfa atade mamfa mpaboa mamfa hwe ye wie morning exercise ye ko PT ba ya ena omuma ye fatigue nti ye call ye various units say we units by various companies ye kwaye adwuma no then I realized say at the left side or kwan bi da ho so I decided to just try it nti me to fa what said here I was just going to pick something na me room kakra na me come in afi me come in man am copy mura I had no way again I'm baby I'm doing there's no way I'm coming back na me de to aso ni me ni mo for about 2-3 hours na me pie baby a ti me mo nyame ado me kopie kwa ho no that area I don't know anywhere around there because me ka just me bedu ahomache nti me hu hwe ba me bedu ho no se kwan ne ko nanim se ko nachi I don't know na me de me gina ho na me gina kwan ne ho nti matade no ma rogu me kon ho fifire timi na me gina kwan nti ka bi e ba na me hi matade no just for the person to see said there's an emergency to onyina but cars be brain me fortunately na passenger car kese e na eba ti me hi matade na fidie ojina e am so me ne papa ne nam and the way I had dressed it looked like me kwafuo because my room ni mo ama me ho aye fi cause nwure mu ana me na ma anti me kan say me ne papa kwafuo na oye hunter na ye nemu na ahomache no me hu ne biom me hu na chiri kwan ana me tuto mu ama ba be pia busa se me friend na me fita no dumase say hi e wa hefa I say Ashanti region baby I say hey you are in Greater Accra region say eh ye me mayira to mo fa me nkosi baabi a menya kwan akopie kumase because I had to look sharp and yes I assemble to me unfortunately and I drive on the farm who any tema station nti edu tema station no I ye tema ankasa and omo de me see circle car mu ye de me koko see circle and ye de me tena kumase car mu and fortunately everything was free because medical akase mayra and I'm come story na na you nti omo nyina hu say they need to help me ti omo buja se me nyakodu kejeti a mehu me fie kwan ana na me se me du kejeti a dia minim kejeti nti mehu ka e ko me krom ye nya se me du kumase nti me kodu kakra ka di sisi ka mu nyame ado me kopie kumase straight na me kwa asafo na me maame nua baako ɔna na ɛyɛ ntoma hema kente for hema ɛwɔ asafo friend maame asuo wa film straight ɛne ne hɔ na mekɔtena ne nkyɛn ɛna meka kyɛn sɛ mpankyɛw mo biara nte sɛ maba hɔ nti sɛ egu hɔ no na me papa no nso afrɛ ebusa me papa sɛ maba fie ana because obi ni base no so ɔno kora ɛbɛfrɛ ebusa sɛ me ho te sɛ ana na fi sɛ me kɔɔyɛ no ɔnte me nka biom fidi ɔsi dabi ni hɔ na afei ayɛ na lucky am here and said they didn't report at the police station come report it and asem ne say but fortunately they didn't report until now I say they have to start calling family members and they say why ho and ma kwa kwahye because they knew say me ni ho dia me dwane am ni ba bia akọ this ebusun ni nchen na me kwa akọta I was not that type of make say me that bad boy am me wo nya me nim sa de no
asabre onya kobolo
enti me kɔhyɛ me maame ne nua ne hɔ me wɔ hɔ a ɛna afei deɛ me papa ɔmo frɛfrɛ ni mu a na bepie hɔ ɛna ɔse me wɔ hɔ but information a me de ma me papa ne sɛ if he wants to see me again then he has two options either he takes me back to school anaasɛ ɔbɛma akɔyɛ deɛ me ho bɛtɔ me nyɛ soja saa deɛ ɛnea obehu m'ani bi na nyɛ saa na sɛ still o insist sɛ me ko soja deɛ ohu me bi for that punishment I can't go through it again enti fortunately na papa say saa na ɛkyɛ deɛ okay ɔno ankasa na ɛwɔ ne tim to watotɔ some institutions forms nti nyame adom ɔka yɛ ntɛ me mmerɛ fie na mso no me te sɛ aba a ama manya admission na maba ɔte aseɛ na metena me ma me nua ne nkyɛn kakra kɔpem sɛ afei deɛ ɛbaayɛ a meka sɛ menya asunai pɔne a mekɔɔyɛ nti ɛno ne metumi aka sɛ asantefoɔ bɛka sɛ mentam kɛseɛ ɛwɔ soja mu ɛno ne the first encounter I had with the military ama yɛabrɛ ne deɛ na body wei yɛmfa nkɔ soja ɛdi na ɛwɔ sɛ mepɛ baabi fa na nyame adom ɛne save me nyame boa ma metumi kɔɔ pɔle ɛma mewie yɛ a mekɔɔ valley view a nyame adom da so ɛde good body so
na adɔfoɔ waa wohwɛ body yɛ ti hɛ ɔsi afɛ kwampo na wayɛ kɛse o na wohwɛ 15 years back na wohwɛ young recruits asabra na te mu sɛ so this kind some form of punishment